In the ever-evolving automotive industry, General Motors, or GM, has always been a titan, a company synonymous with American manufacturing might. Yet, in a move that has sent shockwaves through the market, GM has embarked on a course that could redefine its destiny and reshape the industry landscape. This bold maneuver involves a series of strategic decisions, including aggressive share buybacks and increased dividends, all while navigating the treacherous terrain of new tariffs. These actions have sparked intense debate, with analysts and investors alike grappling with their potential implications. Is GM making a calculated bet on its future, or is it a gamble that could backfire, leaving the company vulnerable in an increasingly competitive global market? The stakes are undeniably high, not just for GM but for the entire US auto industry. The outcome of this high-stakes play has the potential to ripple through the economy, impacting jobs, supply chains, and even the price consumers pay for vehicles. As the world watches, the question remains, will GM's bold move cement its position as an industry leader, or will it mark a turning point with unforeseen consequences? To understand the gravity of GM's recent actions, it's crucial to delve into the financial strategy underpinning them. Share buybacks, a practice where a company repurchases its stock from the open market, have become increasingly common in corporate America. Proponents argue that buybacks increase shareholder value by reducing the number of outstanding shares, thereby boosting earnings per share. GM has been particularly active on this front, announcing a staggering $16 billion share buyback program between 2023 and 2025. This move signals confidence in the company's future prospects and aims to reward investors by returning value directly to them. In tandem with buybacks, GM has also raised its dividends, sweetening the deal for shareholders. The company recently increased its quarterly dividend by 3 cents per share, a significant 25% hike. This move underscores GM's commitment to sharing its profits with investors and further enhances the attractiveness of its stock. However, these seemingly shareholder-friendly moves have not been without their critics. Some argue that buybacks prioritize short-term gains over long-term investments in research, development, and innovation. They contend that such actions could ultimately harm a company's competitiveness and future growth prospects. While GM's financial maneuvers have captured headlines, they are unfolding against a backdrop of escalating trade tensions and the looming threat of new tariffs. The Trump administration's protectionist trade policies have cast a long shadow over the global economy, and the auto industry has found itself squarely in the crosshairs. Tariffs, essentially taxes imposed on imported goods, have the potential to disrupt global supply chains, increase costs for manufacturers, and ultimately drive up prices for consumers. The auto industry, heavily reliant on a complex web of cross-border trade, is particularly vulnerable to these disruptions. GM, despite its image as an American icon, is deeply integrated into the global economy. The company sources parts and vehicles from around the world, and tariffs threaten to upend its carefully calibrated supply chains. The specter of a 25% duty on imported vehicles, coupled with an additional 25% tariff on parts, hangs over the industry like a Damocles sword. These tariffs, if fully implemented, could have a profound impact on GM's profitability. The company would face a stark choice: absorb the increased costs, potentially eroding its margins, or pass them on to consumers, risking a decline in sales volume. To grasp the potential financial impact of these tariffs on GM, it's essential to crunch the numbers. J.P. Morgan, a leading financial institution, has estimated that GM imports approximately $56 billion worth of vehicles annually from Mexico and Canada. Of this amount, roughly $38 billion would be subject to a 25% tariff, translating to a hefty $10 billion hit. But the pain doesn't stop there. GM's reliance on imported parts further compounds its exposure. The company's share of the estimated $92 billion in imported parts could amount to $4 billion, bringing its total potential tariff exposure to a staggering $14 billion. These figures underscore the magnitude of the challenge facing GM. The tariffs, if implemented, would represent a significant financial burden, potentially forcing the company to make difficult choices regarding pricing, production, and investment. Section 5 Market Jitters Reactions to GM's Gamble. Unsurprisingly, GM's bold moves and the looming tariff threat have sent ripples of uncertainty through the stock market. Investors, always attuned to signs of risk and opportunity, have reacted with a mix of apprehension and cautious optimism. JP Morgan, in response to the tariff threat, lowered GM's price target by $11 to $53 per share. This downgrade reflects the market's concern about the potential impact of tariffs on GM's profitability. GM's stock, trading around $44 per share, has experienced volatility in recent weeks as investors grapple with the company's prospects in a changing landscape. The share buybacks and dividend increases have provided some support, but the uncertainty surrounding tariffs continues to weigh on investor sentiment. The market's reaction underscores the high stakes involved in GM's gamble. Investors are closely watching the company's next moves, eager for any indication of how it plans to navigate the challenges ahead. The confluence of GM's financial moves and the specter of tariffs has created a strategic dilemma for the company. On the one hand, the share buybacks and dividend increases are designed to reward shareholders and bolster investor confidence. On the other hand, these actions could deplete cash reserves that might be needed to weather the storm of tariffs. GM's management team faces a difficult balancing act. They must weigh the short-term benefits of returning value to shareholders against the long-term risks of financial vulnerability in the face of economic headwinds. The company has several options at its disposal, each with its own set of trade-offs. It could choose to pause or scale back its buyback program to conserve cash. It could raise prices on its vehicles to offset the increased costs of tariffs, but risk losing market share to competitors. Or, it could seek to renegotiate its supply chains, potentially shifting production to countries not subject to tariffs. The path GM chooses will have far-reaching implications, not just for the company itself, but for the broader auto industry and the U.S. economy as a whole. GM's predicament is not unique. The entire U.S. auto industry is grappling with the potential fallout from tariffs. The industry, a cornerstone of the American economy, supports millions of jobs and contributes trillions of dollars in economic output. Tariffs, if fully implemented, could disrupt this delicate ecosystem. Higher costs for manufacturers could lead to job losses and plant closures. Increased vehicle prices could dampen consumer demand, further impacting sales and production. The interconnected nature of the auto industry means that the pain would not be confined to GM and other major manufacturers. Suppliers, dealerships, and countless other businesses that rely on the auto sector would also feel the pinch. The current situation represents a potential turning point for the automotive industry. The combination of GM's bold moves, the looming tariff threat, and the rapid pace of technological change is creating an environment of unprecedented uncertainty and opportunity. Companies that can adapt quickly to this shifting landscape will be best positioned to thrive. Those that cling to outdated business models or fail to anticipate future trends risk being left behind. The auto industry is on the cusp of a major transformation, driven by advances in electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and shared mobility. The decisions made today will shape the industry's trajectory for years to come. As GM navigates this complex terrain, the road ahead is fraught with both uncertainty and opportunity. The company's bold moves, while not without risk, reflect a determination to adapt and evolve in a rapidly changing market. The outcome of this high-stakes gamble remains to be seen. Success will depend on a multitude of factors, including the ultimate impact of tariffs, the company's ability to execute its strategic vision, and the broader economic climate. One thing is certain: the automotive industry is at a crossroads, and GM's actions will have a profound impact on its future. Whether this bold move leads to triumph or tribulation, only time will tell.